Good morning, Kate Kelly. This week's Toolbox Talk is on hand protection. Our federal government, OSHA, requires us to provide the necessary PPE to help protect our hands. Hands and fingers need to be protected from injuries and other health hazards. Now, I can tell you this, we're experiencing all over the board injuries that have to deal with hands. Part of which, it's not having the right glove on. And so I thought we'd make this a topic for the week. So let's talk about some of them. Absorption of harmful chemicals. There's severe cuts, lacerations, abrasions, and punctures. Chemical heat, or it could be an electrical burn. Extreme heat or cold. Bloodborne pathogens. Number 2, gloves are an important form of hand protection. They provide an effective barrier between the hand and the hazard. Never wear gloves if they create a greater hazard. That means you got to think about the consequences of having a glove, such as catching a machine. 3, select gloves designed to protect against a specific hazard. Insulated gloves protect us against heat and cold. Choose fire retardant materials for exposure that could be open flames. Choose reflective materials for exposure to radiant heat. Neoprene, rubber, vinyl, and other materials protect against chemicals. No gloves protect against all chemicals. Check the SDSs for instructions. Special insulated rubber gloves protect against electrical shock and burns. Metal mesh gloves and other cut-resistant gloves protect against sharp objects. Leather gloves protect against rough surfaces, chips, and sparks, and moderate heat. Cotton gloves protect against dirt, splinters, and abrasion, and help grip slippery objects. Cotton's not a good protection for use with rough, sharp, or heavy materials. Other PPE, number 4, can provide added hand protection. 1, hand pads can protect against heat, rough surfaces, and splinters. You can't wear hand pads if you're doing delicate work. Thumb or finger guards or tapes can provide the extra protection on dangerous jobs. Long cuffs, wristlets, or duct tape can keep chemicals or heat outside the glove, if you will. Barrier creams can help protect skin when gloves can't be worn. However, a barrier cream is not a substitute for a glove. Keep that in mind, because creams must be applied frequently and only on clean skin. That's my message to the week. Think about what we need to wear before something happens, whether it's the cold, a type of hazard, and make sure we're safe. And with that, you have a great and safe week.